How to retrieve deleted text messages on iPhone. If you have accidentally deleted text messages on your iPhone, then there are a method you can try to recover them, and here is how to do it. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your iPhone. Now all you have to do is scroll up and tap on your name at the top. After that, scroll down and tap on the iCloud option available there. Then, once inside the iCloud, you will get to see all the iCloud backup option available. Scroll down, and there again you can see iCloud backup. Also, make sure that you have always toggled on the iCloud backup in order to back up your deleted messages, because if you have not toggled that on, then it will not be backed up. Now you can see backup now option available at blue highlights. Simply tap on it and back up your deleted text. So that is it. If you have enough storage, then it will be backed up. If not, then you'll have to buy storage or remove some of your photos, videos, or files from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.